Hello guys, I am Tirth and this is water level indicator alarm. I will show you how to make it. So let's see what it does. So I will hang it over here. Then pour water till the water reaches the tip of pencil. And it reads and see there's an alarm okay, see when the water level reaches both the tip the alarm starts. So let us learn how to make it. Okay, so I will tell whatever you need to make this. So first you need the scale. I am using the plastic scale. Then 2 pencil. It should be sharpened from both sides. And then this 9V battery and 9V battery connector. A buzzer and few rubber bands, then scissor and a sellotape. So let's start making it. So first connect the 9V battery with its connector, then put 2 rubber bands over it. Then put the pencil through the rubber bands from both sides. Right. Like this. Then we will like this. Then take the buzzer and again take 2 rubber bands, put it around the from the wire like this and keep it onto the. So this is how I tucked it and okay, and then take one sellotape and take both of the black wires. Take 2 black wires of one of buzzer and one of 9V battery and stick it. I stick it. Then take one red wire and stick it with the lid of one pencil. Be sure that be sure that the wire is in contact with the lid. I fixed it. No. Then with the other red wire to other lid of pencil like this, and this. Then fix the scale from behind. Like this behind. So we made this, and if it is moving easily like this. Then put two more rubber bands. With the pencil and scale so it doesn't move. So this is the simplest water level indicator alarm, and it's very easy and you can make it at home. So if you like this video, please like it, share and subscribe. And